Hi everyone, my name is Naz. Thanks for clicking on my video. Today I'll show you how to install the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. On my last video I removed the screen protector from the phone as it cracked after it fell onto concrete. Luckily the pack I purchased came with two screen protectors, so today I'll be installing the second replacement screen protector. The screen protector saved my phone screen from cracking, so I'm happy with the product. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Now let's get on with the installation. Before installing the screen protector, turn off your phone to avoid any vibrations. Make sure that the surface you're working on is level. This is really important because if it's not level, the adhesive that comes with the phone will run off the edge of the phone. Also make sure that the area you're working on is clean so dust doesn't get on the phone during installation. If you're installing this on a brand new Galaxy S10, then remove the screen protector that comes with the phone. Thoroughly wipe off the screen with one of the alcohol wipes that comes with the screen protector. Next, use the microfiber cloth to dry the screen, being very careful not to leave any lint behind. Then put the phone into the bottom section of the installation tray. Make sure that the phone is orientated correctly by matching the top speaker of the phone to the speaker text on the tray. Use the speaker sticker to cover the top speaker. This will stop any liquid from going into the speaker. Now place the top section of the tray on the bottom tray. Then take the plastic pin and insert into the top section of the tray. Then check for any dust on the phone and remove using the dust removal sticker. Place the bridge into the slots on the top tray. Take the adhesive bottle, remove the colored cap and then screw onto the bridge. Then remove the black cap, which will allow the adhesive to pour onto the phone. Give the adhesive some time to fully pour onto the phone. Once the adhesive is fully out, carefully remove the bottle and the bridge from the tray. Be very careful not to move the adhesive liquid. Remove the peel off sheet from the glass screen protector and place the glass on the tray. The plastic pin will stop the glass from fully going onto the phone screen. The next few steps are crucial. Slowly press down on the bottom of the tray to move the adhesive to the bottom of the screen. Remove the plastic pin exactly when the adhesive touches the glass, which will be between the two arrows. Give the adhesive a few minutes to spread throughout the screen. Once the adhesive has spread throughout the phone, take the UV light and cure the bottom for 15 seconds. Then cure the top for 15 seconds. Now carefully remove the phone from the tray. Carefully wipe the edges with the alcohol wipe to remove any extra adhesive. Then press down for 1 minute where the fingerprint sensor is. Place the phone on a flat surface and use the UV light to cure the phone on the top and bottom for 1 minute each. After that, you're finished. Now the dome glass screen protector has been installed. Now you can turn on the phone and set up the fingerprints. First delete any existing fingerprints, then register a new one. Each fingerprint should be registered twice, once vertically and once in a more natural diagonal position. You can also turn on the touch sensitivity to increase the responsiveness of your phone. I'm really happy with the installation. There's no bubbles underneath the screen protector. The front facing camera is still clear. There's no glue around the edges. It was easy for me to install because I did it once in the past. However, if you take your time and follow the instructions properly, there shouldn't be any issues. Thanks for watching my installation video of the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector. I hope you learned something from it or enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel.